Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Doreen and today we'll be talking about the benefits of rice water. So we'll be looking at a brief history of rice water, the benefits and how to make it, and also how to apply it to your hair. But please, if you've not liked or subscribed yet, please do so. This rice water thing, it kind of started from the Red Yao tribe in China, popularly known as the land of Rapunzels, because their women are known to have really long hair. And when asked about what their secret was, they said it was rice water, the consistent use of rice water. And I'm like, anyways, so what makes this rice water really special? So rice water contains a special type of carbohydrate called inositol that helps to repair damaged hair. Keratin makes up the hair and it contains about 18 amino acids, and in this rice water about 8 of them can be found. So you see, rice water helps to strengthen hair roots, to increase hair volume and to improve hair texture. Rice water helps to reduce split ends. It helps to reduce frizz and dandruff. It contains vitamins B, C and E that helps to grow the hair. And rice water can also be used as a conditioner. I know, right? All these benefits for just basic rice water. Anyways, let's see how to make rice water correctly according to the Yao women. So guys, you need a sizable bowl, a citrus fruit peel, any citrus fruit. I prefer to use orange. You could use tangerine, lemons, lime, anyone, grapefruit. I use orange. You need a jar. My old tomato paste jar comes in handy. You need some rice, obviously. You need lavender essential oil. Well, it doesn't necessarily have to be lavender, but the Yao women use lavender. You could use any essential oil. You need a green tea bag, just one, and water. After washing, but fortunately this is where most of us stop. So the next step now is to boil it in a pot with your orange peels. So this is what it looks like after boiling. I'm just going to cover it and leave it to ferment. So the Yao women fermented theirs starting from 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, like that, sure. But I'm just going to leave mine for about 2 weeks. I'll leave it to ferment and make sure the lid is tightly sealed. So I'll be back after 2 weeks.
2,000 years later.
2 weeks later, I have this. This is what it looks like. Well, I happen to have done one prior to this day, so it's 2 weeks today. So I'm just gonna open it up. Well, it's not so bad. It's actually not that bad. But if you're not so comfortable with it, you could add a little of your perfume oil, just a little to just reduce the smell, or your peppermint oil, just something sharp. And your tea bag. You're gonna put I removed my pills and my tea bag, and this is what I'm left with. You could apply in 2 ways. You could either choose to rinse your hair with it after shampooing, then you just leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off, or you add it to a spray bottle and spritz on your hair daily. I do this second method. I prefer that though. I've added it as my daily night routine, and I spritz it on my hair every night and massage my scalp with it. I've been consistently doing it for about a week now, and I must confess, it works. Like, it really works. It does. I've been seeing changes. So please do tell me your experiences when you try it in the comment section. I'll be willing to hear all of it. Thank you so much for watching.